So what inspired me to participate in this program was that the grass didn't look that great. The water bill was really excessive. I had to get a gardener every week to mow it. I followed up, and this is when I got approved, and I'm really thrilled about the results. I was so inspired by looking at native plants. I've been struggling with growing plants that are not native. It's always been a challenge for me. So super excited about the way that those plants are thriving and looking. It's drought tolerant, and as the summer is coming in, we're gonna have a lot of very harsh hot weather, and the water bill is gonna be so much less. The fact that I can conserve a lot of water speaks to me. I'm a green certified business. Having to water this, having to use pesticides did not really align with my values. All my neighbors are now stopping, talking about the plants, and it just brings the community together. I would totally recommend the West Basin program to others, to my neighbors. As a matter of fact, I already have, because it's really a beautification program. It's also a water conservation program. There's a ton of benefits to it. So I can't thank enough West Basin program for all of the work that they've done and how easy they made it.